Sweet and Sassy Chicken with Jasmine Rice, because your kitchen deserves something delicious, and so do you. Hi there, it's Margaret, your favorite Space Coast Realtor and undercover foodie. Whether you're cooking in your dream kitchen or still stuck in what even is this layout situation, I've got a tasty recipe that'll make you feel like a pro. And if you need a kitchen that inspires actual joy, you know who to call. You can call or text me at 321-480-7662. You can find your dream kitchen at margarettsellsdreamhomes.com, or you can do some kitchen tours plus more on my YouTube channel at Dream Home Space Coast, Florida. The main dish, Sweet and Sassy Chicken, pairs beautifully with fluffy jasmine rice and a sprinkle of smug satisfaction. Ingredients: 4 boneless, skinless chicken thighs, or breast if you must, but thighs equal flavor. 2 tablespoons olive oil, 3 tablespoons soy sauce, 2 tablespoons honey, 1 teaspoon Dijon mustard, fancy pants optional, 2 cloves of garlic, minced, or more if you're warding off vampires, 1 teaspoon fresh grated ginger, or half a teaspoon of powdered, no judgment, salt and pepper to taste, optional garnish, sesame seeds, green chopped onions, or a dramatic flourish. The sidekick, jasmine rice. Light, aromatic, and the fluffiest rice you'll ever love. It's like the Audrey Hepburn of grains. Ingredients: 1 cup jasmine rice, 1.5 cups water, pinch of salt, a splash of butter or a drizzle of olive oil, optional, but yum. Instructions: start with the rice, because it's low maintenance like that. Rinse the jasmine rice in fine mesh strainer. Give it a little spa day. Combine the rice, water, and salt in a pot. Bring it to a gentle boil. Cover, reduce heat to low, and do not peek for 15 minutes. Then fluff it with a fork like it just got its hair done. Now, chicken time, because you deserve something sizzling. In a small bowl, whisk together soy sauce, honey, mustard, garlic, and ginger. That is your sweet and sassy sauce. Season the chicken with salt and pepper. Heat olive oil in a skillet over medium-high heat. Add chicken and cook about 4 to 5 minutes per side until golden brown and cooked through. Use a meat thermometer if you're feeling fancy. 165 degrees is your magic number. Pour your sauce over the chicken and let it simmer for another 2 to 3 minutes until it gets glossy and irresistible. Resist the urge to drink it. Kidding, mostly. Serve it up. Plate your fluffy jasmine rice like it's the culinary genius you are. And top it off with that sweet and sassy chicken. Add garnish if you're extra. Pair with a chilled glass of wine, lemonade, or let's be honest, whatever's in the fridge. Bonus tip from Chef Margarett. If your current kitchen doesn't make you want to dance while you drizzle honey soy sauce, we need to talk. Let's find you a new kitchen that inspires meals like this and gives your rice cooker the spotlight it deserves. You can call me anytime at 321-480-7662. And for a home search that's easier than cooking rice, go to my website at margarettsellsdreamhomes.com. Tour beautiful kitchens here on my YouTube channel at Dream Home Space Coast, Florida. Now go on, serve that dinner like you're on the Food Network. And remember, when it comes to kitchens and homes, I've got the recipe for success. Margaret Klein signing off. And do not forget to hit that subscribe button for more yummy recipes and to find the home of your dreams. Thanks. Bye-bye.